Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to create your first dashboard to retrieve NFTs and balance on Ethereum without writing code. We are going to use QuickNode and Flipside crypto. So first we need to know what is QuickNode. QuickNode is a Web3 infrastructure platform where you can use different services like NFT analytics, RPCs, and wallets balance, where you can see how your tokens. So different services very useful to use. So you don't need to know about how to code, because I will provide the code to you to put this code on Flipside. So first you need an account on QuickNode. So after creating your account, go here on dashboard. After that, you need to create an endpoint. We need to start with Ethereum. Click on continue. After that, click on mainnet. Continue. We are going to search for the add-on Flipside query. You can easily search for the information about this add-on. We are going to install for free. After that, we are going to install this add-on token and NFT API version 2 bundle. Click on explore. Click on install for free and create an endpoint. We are going to wait some seconds. So after creating your endpoint, you will be redirected to this dashboard. The endpoint is created. You need to go to this tab, add-on, and click here on the three dots. Click on dashboard. And after that, you will redirect to Flipside. You will be create an account on Flipside if you don't have any account, so it's free. So after that, you will create a query. What is a query? A query is where you can retrieve your balance, your NFTs, and your transactions in one place, because having all your information like this is very complex, and sometimes it's cumbersome to identify your data. So we are going to make a beautiful dashboard for today. So I will provide the code. So the first code is the fetch NFTs query. So this is the code. We are going to copy and paste, and we see three parameters: wallet and page and peer page. So what is wallet and what is page and what is peer page? So when you are querying the blockchain, these are retrieving the results, and sometimes it's about more than 50 results, and the information is distributed in different sections. So we need a wallet here. So I will provide a wallet, the Vitalik wallet. I will paste here the parameter. This parameter can be used it can be random. I will provide the page, page 1, and items per page 10. After that, you will need to start the query. So go to here and click the button run query. So after that, you will see the execution, and we execute. This is running. Please wait. This is running. Sometimes when it's the first time, it's delaying, because is on the behalf is configuring all the stuff. So I will click again on run query. So here is starting the query. So here is the information. If you are facing the same problem like me in the last seconds, please run the query again. So this is the table, the chain, collection address, collection name, collection token ID, description, image URL, name, and network. So we have the first query. We need to name this query like NFT. Like NFT. This is my name about this query. So we need another query to retrieve the wallet balance. This is the query. I will provide this in a technical article and here in the YouTube description. Don't worry. So please copy and paste. This is the wallet. We need to provide a wallet Here's the wallet and the page and items per page. You are notice this is a different method. So we are interacting with QuickNode, and after that, QuickNode retrieves the information to Flipside. Okay, after knowing that, you need to run the query, and it's running the query. We see a elapsed time. Here is running. So yeah, this is the tokens that the wallet has. So we see the symbol, address, decimals, amount, name, and the total balance on this expression about decimals. So we need to name this query like balance. And after that, the final query, we need the transaction query to retrieve all the transaction from our wallet. So this is the query. This is the same parameters. We need to copy and paste. And this is the same structure, address, page, and per page. So it's different on the methods on how the information is retrieved. This information is on the QuickNode docs, so you can easily search and personalize if you are an advanced users. So if you are a newbie, please follow this tutorial. So we'll need to run the query. We need to wait for the result. Here is searching for the information on QuickNode. So it's on the queue. And in the meantime, we will change the query name. So this is transaction. So this is the line. We need to click again on run query. So sometimes it's a line because we started the service very fast. So it's taking time on the flip side. Okay. After that, we see the block number, block timestamp, the from address to address transaction hash that this wallet has. We see the transaction index and the value. After that, we need to create a dashboard. Please go to here, create new, click on dashboard. After that, you can change the name. I will put this name, the Ethereum dashboard. And if you want to add a query to better order, I will recommend you to do this. Tab names. So I will add NFT, balance, transaction. And after that, when you want to add a query on a tab, you need to click here, drag to this tab, search for the query. Here is NFT. So here is the information. You can easily expand this. Click on the tab balance to add the another query balance here. Go to transaction to see how the transaction this wallet has. Click here. You notice that the page added these parameters. It's because it's provided by Flipside. You can add another parameters if you want. This is by default. So you can publish this dashboard if you want to be public available. Click on publish. After that, you will get a URL to promote your dashboard. So I will copy the URL. And this is the Ethereum dashboard. So it's very simple steps to replicate this. So you can put another address and you can change easily, and in less than 30 minutes you have your first Ethereum dashboard with no coding skills. So thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, I will help you to improve my tutorials. And if you want more tutorials or you are facing problems with this a test, please notify me here on the YouTube description. Thanks for watching.